Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about why Washington, D.C. is not a state. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is Washington, D.C. located inside the state of Maryland? No, it is a separate federal district. Was Washington, D.C. created by the U.S. Constitution? Yes, it was created in 1790 to be the national capital. Do people in D.C. have full voting rights in Congress? No, they do not have voting representatives or senators. Can D.C. residents vote for the president? Yes, since 1961, thanks to the 23rd Amendment. Is the D.C. delegate in the House of Representatives allowed to vote on final laws? No, the delegate cannot vote on final legislation. Do D.C. residents pay federal taxes? Yes, they pay taxes just like other Americans. Does Washington, D.C. have the same status as a state? No, it is a federal district, not a state. Have there been movements for D.C. to become a state? Yes, many people support D.C. statehood. Do opponents of D.C. statehood worry about political power shifts? Yes, some fear it could affect balance in Congress. Does D.C. have full independence from federal control? No, Congress has authority over the district. Watch this video again to strengthen your understanding, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the next amazing lesson on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.